If you're ever wondering how lazy I am, I'll tell you. I rewash clothes I'm not ready to fold yet. Yeah. Hi guys, happy Friday. This haul is so fun that I don't even want to mess around and do an intro, but really we all know I'm just bad at it anyway, so let's just skip it as per usual. But it is a really fun haul. I found so many new things that you guys have to know about. So the first things are these mirror clings, or just clings in general, but this one is specifically states that it's for a mirror, which is really cute because if you want to like just, you know, give yourself a little message, you know, instead of doing the old lipstick trick or maybe like the post-it trick, you know, that you could do, they've got these that you could put on your mirror. And then they also have this version here as well that says, "Believe you can, be beautiful." Such a cute message and just perfect for, you know, those mirror messages that I think a lot of people write whenever they need like that extra boost of confidence. The next two are actually glow clings. That's what the label says. I've never seen anything like this at Dollar Tree, and you can definitely tell that these will glow in the dark. You get one that looks like it's just you know, very outer space, but you've got like the constellations and planets and shooting stars, and then you have like a Love Paris theme, and it would be great for care packages as well in case you are finding yourself doing one of those. I think those would be cute to send. Now you guys know that I am probably the Dollar Tree sticker queen, and I found some cute new stickers today that I definitely have to add to my collection. I think it's probably about time that maybe I do a collection video of all of my Dollar Tree stickers, so if that's something you're interested in, definitely give this video a thumbs up. I'm really happy whenever they put out new little robots because I think the robots are so darling. If you have not caught all of my Dollar Tree hauls, scattered through some of them, I've been finding some big name brand products at Dollar Tree. One of them being Project Life. It's something that a lot of people use for crafts like card mail, pocket letters, just friend mail in general, scrapbooking, like all of those things. And I found more Project Life products at Dollar Tree for $1. I have no idea how this stuff ends up at Dollar Tree, but listen, I'm not gonna question it. This one is the 4x6. You get 18 in here, has a white and gold theme, and it's just stunning. Such cute little cards in here that you could definitely craft with. And then the other set is 3x4, which is a little bit smaller. You can definitely tell that the two go together. They're very cohesive, some of the same like prints on the cards. This next item that I found at Dollar Tree, I could not believe it, but it's another name brand company, K & Company Smash, and it's also very the same concept of planners and crafting and all those things, but what these are specifically is they are gift card holders, and some of them have like a little scratch off theme to it, which is really cute. These are going to be adorable in a care package, or just, you know, if somebody has a birthday or just anything, these are going to be an awesome pickup for that. I've been saying this whole fall season, but Dollar Tree has blown me away with the amount of variety of products that they've put out for Halloween, and I thought I've bought it all, you guys. I really did, but nope. I went back to the store and I found more Halloween stuff, but these are like the iridescent type notebooks. And hello, Hocus Pocus coming at ya. I put a spell on you. Such a cute little notebook. These would be great for a Halloween themed care package. Too cute, too spooky. Too cute, too spooky. Too cute, too spooky. I don't know. But I love the image, and it is ruled, so it's not like just a blank page. It does have lines in it, and this one says Happy Halloween and the skull there. Wow, these are really awesome. I definitely got very excited when I found these. And then I found these die cut numbers. I thought they were really awesome and would be great for, you know, any kind of crafting or DIYs. And they are numbers, so I just want to point that out. They're not a combination of alpha and numbers. They do come in different sizes in here as well, which is really awesome. And then you can see the size of this one in the front. It's pretty large. And then I don't know if you guys can see on the back, but they do come in smaller sizes. I just thought those would be great for crafting, and I found them in different prints as well. You know I'm loving the yellow polka dot. And then I thought I'd pick up the red just maybe for something for Christmas, and the number system would be great for advent calendars too. This next product is hilarious, and I had to pick it up because I thought it would be fun to just go down memory lane with you guys, and that's a good old-fashioned address and telephone book. I don't know, comment down below, does anyone use these anymore? And for those of you who have maybe never seen these in your life, this is how we actually used to keep track of our family and friends' phone numbers and addresses and things like that. And yeah, so it's obviously organized in alphabetical order. You can see the alphabet or the letter here on the outside, and then all of the slots for each number. I don't know, for some reason, the moment I saw this at Dollar Tree, I just smiled. It just like reminded me of when I used to have an address book, had all my friends' name and numbers in it. I mean, I don't know about anyone else, but like I had all the numbers memorized, which is so crazy. I have no numbers memorized of my contacts in my phone now. Like I couldn't tell you one number. In a previous haul, I showed you guys these novelty pens that had like the comic book hero kind of concept. And then I went to another Dollar Tree and found that there were more to the collection. And here they are. Completely adorable. Like the french fries and the hamburger paired together is really, really cute. I will usually pick up Sharpies at Dollar Tree, but this is the first time I think that I've ever found a yellow Sharpie, and I love the color yellow, so I definitely had to pick it up and add it to my collection. I also like that it's the ultra fine tip, but they are the extreme smooth gel pens. I love the packaging. I know that's probably silly, but I do love how they are packaged in this like plastic, and then each one has a different colored pens. I believe that I got the entire collection, and each pen does write in the color of that pen, if that makes sense. So they're not, I don't think it's black ink. I think the pink pen is pink ink, etc. So yeah, assorted fashion inks, and I really love this one right here because it looks very fall. And I think that, again, I always think to care packages or just like a fall gift basket, this would be a really cute combination because the colors are just right there for me. Dollar Tree sells a variety of different thumbtacks, but never have I seen them do it like this. At first I thought that they were just magnets, but no, they are in fact thumbtacks. So if I were to turn it on the side, I believe that you would be able to kind of see that that nail part in there, but it just has cute little messages. And if you have a bulletin board or anything, these are definitely a must pick up because they're really unique and I've never seen anything like this. I want to point out that it has the Jot brand label on here, which is part of Dollar Tree, and it's actually my favorite brand. Here we go again with another Jot product, and this one's gonna blow you away because I've never seen Dollar Tree do this either. They are magnetic clips, but the twist is that they are dry erase. What? I've never even seen this concept outside of Dollar Tree, you know, let alone at the Dollar Tree. So they even give you the dry erase pen, which has the eraser also at the top, you know, in case you want to erase this off, but you can just keep changing like whatever it is that you write, which is really, really awesome, you guys. And the last three things for today's haul are earphone cases. I almost didn't see them, saw them in the checkout aisle. So make sure that you're looking around that area too because there's a lot of hidden gems there. but look at this. What? They are just what they say. They are earbud cases. And FYI, on the back it says this is not a toy right here. And then if you look closely, it shows you how you can put your earbuds in there. So you've got a unicorn option, a panda, and then a blue cat option, which is really, really cute. I actually don't have wireless earpods. I'm still old school, you guys. I still have the whole like wire thing, and I just thought these were really, really cute and would be great for a gift. So I'm definitely gonna tuck these away for a future gift. And that's it for today's Dollar Tree haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I think this was a really fun haul. I'm sure you guys can clearly tell that I absolutely love this store. It's such a treasure hunt process for me. I love finding the most fun, unique finds for $1, and I really liked this haul. This one was really, really cute, and the Project Life books were awesome. I really love the Halloween books too. And these earphone cases, I did not see these coming. Like, I did not even, like, in my mind think that Dollar Tree would do something on this level. They have like the basic stuff in the cell phone accessories aisle, but I just never thought they would do something like this for $1, which is crazy. But anyways, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.